Model, 2015 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 HDi 130 6-speed Enterprise fully working fridge, van. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 142,966. Engine, 2198 cc4 HDi. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly, no warning lights on the dash, fridge unit works perfectly. Grin, condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, sat-nav, electric windows, air-con, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.